Good morning. It is Thursday. I'm at the shop. I'm actually the first one here. I'm waiting for Wally to get here. Everybody else, that is nasty. So yeah, I know today we're supposed to be doing some maintenance things to the BMW from the previous video. If you haven't seen that already, it's actually this BMW right here. Here, matter of fact, let me. Just to say something real quick. Yeah, I'm kind of cool too, you know. Not like Rome, but just a little bit better than Can't Get Right. So got my keys in my pocket. Close this up real quick. This right here is the BMW from yesterday's video. 535i or 5 something. Shoot. Let's see what this is. Yeah, 535i. 535i.
How you doing, boy? How are you? Okay. What are you guys loading it up in?
Okay, cool.
Oh, pickup truck. Perfect. Let me just unlock here. It's actually in my front shop. We'll go right to the side door and just get it right there.
So right now, Willie's trying to get off a 6-1 block. He's trying to sell it to a gentleman named Mike. He said he does custom-made EFI beaters. Actually builds them from scratch, and he said they're at a better price. So I actually have his card right here. I'll attach the website in the description down below. It's EFIsource.com. Michael. So hit him up. We might do something with him. I don't know. I'm not sure what the future holds, but yeah, let's see how it goes.
Yeah, it's got a hole right there.
Alright, so from what I know, gentleman's gonna take that block right there. It has a hole in it, but he's gonna replace, I guess, all the internals and then install them into the other block that was over there. 2 6-1 blocks. Hopefully it goes good. We just sold 2 6-1 blocks. They're in the truck. So I don't know how good the audio was over there. I was trying to adjust the mic, but haven't played with it too much. Pause. So basically, Wally just sold 2 6-1 blocks to his name was Mike. They also own a custom ECU, so he does all that stuff like Holley EFI, Holley Terminator, standalone, all custom kits made from scratch. So he does all that stuff. The block he was looking at had it didn't have a bad crank, but I guess he just wasn't happy with it. So he wanted to buy another 6-1 block and just transfer over all the internals over to the healthy 6-1 block. So yeah, he took home 2 blocks. Happy customer. Can't complain. We'll see what the rest of the day has.
Day 2.
Got ourselves a header installed today. Full exhaust on the Chevy SS.
She's gonna be a cameraman since Berto's not here.
Yeah, he's got a hangover right now. He just turned 21, so he out there partying and
Hangover from his empanadas he ate yesterday. Being that we don't know how to do all the custom editing stuff, they're gonna have to watch like the whole install.
I mean, Berto's he's gonna trim it for us.
Berto will trim it, right?
Yeah.
Berto got it.
He's gonna do the time lapse for us. All you're gonna hear is
a lot of stuff for the shop, and never an SS.
Half the reason is because we can't really find them as much, and then when you do, they're not great deals. But I feel like we could, if we really focus, we could find one. Comment below. You guys want to shop SS?
definitely let us know on that. Yeah, we got a few surprises this year.
And now I'm starting to feel like we should build an SS on that list.
I think you could find one somewhere.
You know what it is? had they put a blower on this car like a V2, this car would have took off. Like,
I think so.
off.
I think so.
Because if you notice every LSA blower one online, like these cars online are like 30K. Still, right? Like high 20s. If it has a blower on it, 40 something. 50 even, which is crazy. So, I do think had GM made this car with a blower on it from the factory, just slap it. It already has an LS3. They could have just put an LSA on it. But then it probably would have killed the market for the V. Maybe that's what they were thinking.
Well, the market for the V's already gone. Discontinued the car.
Well, now, not then.
Yeah. But that's why
V's
they
are still selling like hot water.
That's why it's discontinued though. There's not enough people buying it.
V's are all over the market.
Next thing you know, boom, the car's ready.
Son, y'all said, I said, oh my god, my diff broke. No.
Huh? It's gone? You did ass?
Bruh. Oh! He blew his diff up! Oh, damn! Woo! Thumbnail! How to blow a diff in a V1 right here. Hold up! Guys, this is what we do around here, alright? We do full sends around here. And yeah.
Hey, Mr. Diff! I actually came in today, and I walk up to the car, and I bend down and look under the car. And the minute I look under the car, I was like, Lord! I was like, they said they messed up the diff, not blew it up.
No, I blew it up.
Like you blew it, like literally, I could see the half shaft going to.
Son, when we were pushing it, we would push it and all you hear is
picture of
look. Yeah, it's horrible. Horrible, man.